Hi, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today I am finally getting to doing the video on my newest Kelly, my Kelly 28, which was my special order bag from Hermes. I am still just shocked. I cannot believe I had the opportunity to make a special order bag, and I absolutely love what I chose. I will link that video down below on making the bag and on unboxing it. I was terrified because you see little swatches next to each other. It's not a full mock-up of the bag, and I was really hoping that I would love the colors, and I do. So I am going to do some mod shots for you today. I am wearing a super casual sundress. I have worn this super dressy and not super dressy, and the reason I chose a sundress today is just to show you you do not have to always be just completely decked out to wear your beautiful items, so I think it looks fine with this. I'm also going to show you what fits in the bag and just tell you my thoughts and my impressions. The first thing I'm going to do real fast, I'm going to show you how I store the bag. I will insert a little video clip here, but I leave the felt on, and I leave the crochet, and I leave the strap in their dust bags inside with a little bit of air paper. So I have the crochet on this right now. The colors of my bag that I chose are Gris, Pearl, and Taupe. And the pronunciation police came out on that last video. I said Gris incorrectly. I do not speak French, I'm Southern, but you all knew what I meant. So I wanted a bag in Gris Pearl for a long time, and when I got the opportunity, these straps are going to make me crazy. I have them so tight and they still fall down. When I got the opportunity to create a special order, they did have the option of Gris Pearl in the leather that I wanted, which is Chèvre. This is Chèvre leather, which is a goat skin, which is very durable, and which you can only get with the Hermes Kelly in general with a special order. I've never seen them be offered, but I'm sure that they have been. I haven't seen it, so I knew I wanted this color. But the Taupe was what was throwing me, because all the ones I had looked at online, I was trying to find a picture that had, somebody had already designed the bag. Most of them were with the color Tourterelle, and that was not offered, and it is a lighter shade than this one is. But when I saw the swatches side by side, I don't know why, but it reminded me of chocolate and vanilla ice cream, and in the sunshine it still does. This is a gray color. This is also a gray color. That's not chocolate and vanilla, but it looked like it to me, and I decided it was beautiful, and I went for it. I went with the brush gold hardware because that is also an option that you only get on a special order. And like I said, the Chèvre, the same thing. I wanted it to be classic. I wanted it to be my style. I mean, if your style is purple and yellow, that's awesome, but this is my style. I wanted it to be classic, my style, and I wanted it to say it's a special order bag as well. There's nothing wrong with doing a solid color whatsoever. I mean, that's your opportunity to get what you want. But I wanted it to be special. So this is in the Cellier style, as I said, and all that means is that the stitching is on the outside like this. And the return style, which is my Kelly 32, that's where the stitching is on the inside, and the same with my Birkin. That one's on the inside. I have watched a lot of videos about Epsom being a little difficult to get into with the Cellier Kelly, so I wanted to try the Chèvre. So I'm going to go over all of that, if it's easy to use, some more details on the bag. But first, let me go ahead and I'm going to insert those mod shots, and I'm going to show you what fits inside of the bag as well. Okay, so this is a lot more than what I would normally carry, but I'm just going to show you that it all fits. I have my Gucci powder, my House of Sillage bow lipstick case, my Dior Diorama wallet, tissue, gum, Louis Vuitton clay, sunglasses, the Gucci Ophidia key pouch, and then I have an Hermes Bastia. In this, I always have my clip in case I need to use that at a restaurant, and then I have my mini pochette. So just super quickly, that is what fits in the mini pochette. I never carry liquids open in my bag, so I love these hand sanitizers, these glasses wipes. There's 2 lipsticks and a nail clipper. And just super quickly, what's in the mini pochette? I have more hand sanitizer, Aquaphor, a Sephora lip balm, a Dior lipstick, L'Occitane cherry blossom, hand cream, a tiny file, more lens cleaners, floss, hair ties, and medicine there. Okay, so hopefully I can do this with one hand. My iPhone is working a lot better than my camera today. So the mini pochette, put this down in here. Then let's go for the Diorama wallet. Put that down in there. And then I have the Gucci key pouch. Put that down in there. Go. See, there's still a lot of room left. It's not that easy to do with one hand. And then I have my Gucci powder. Pop that down in there. And then I have, so you can see I just rearranged a little. I moved the powder back there, the lipstick in the front, and the Bastia there. And the last thing I have is my sunglasses in a soft pouch. And of course, my iPhone will fit. I'll put it down in here and I will switch to my regular camera and show you that. So there you can see the iPhone does fit, and there is still some room at the top. But like I said, I personally would not carry this much. It is pretty heavy when it's loaded like this. Okay, so let's get into some of the details of the bag. As I said, I picked the brushed gold hardware, and if it would focus, there we go. So I think that's really, really pretty, and it is brushed gold on everywhere, including the lock and the ends of the, and this doesn't, does it really open? Yes, it does really open. This is, it's on all of the hardware. If it would focus. I may need to insert some pictures with my phone. My camera is not that old and it's not getting along with me again. Here is the strap that it comes with. When you do a special order, you can get different lengths of strap. I just got what the traditional length is. I did do the contrast stitching, so you can see that on there that it is lighter stitched. And then there's of course the hooks here swivel, and there is, that's probably a little bit better. There we go, of the brushed hardware. And the contrast stitching, you can see it really good here on this front panel from the Etaupe to the Gris Pearl, how the stitching is there. I think it's absolutely beautiful. The bottom has 4 feet, which I love, and I really love that the handle is the darker color on this one. It makes me very happy. I do have a lot of twillies, and I do wear it both ways, but it's nice to have the darker handle. So let's go over the interior of the bag. So as far as getting in and out of it to use it, let's say you're gonna go to several stores or run several errands, it is not by any means the easiest to get in and out of. However, I carried my Aspinall of London Midi Mayfair bag. I'll try to insert a picture of that. It's in a light taupe. I went out all day Saturday with my girls, and that's not easy to get in and out of either. A lot of beautiful bags are not that easy, especially when they're a top handle and you're trying to open it to pay. But it's not as stiff as I thought it would be. It opens generously, so I'm very happy about that. The videos I've seen on some of the other ones with Epsom just looked like the people were really struggling. So you can see it wasn't a lot of effort to get into the bag at all. The inside is also in the gray pearl, which is just beautiful. The back here, you have one zipped compartment, which is pretty big. I in general don't put anything in that. There is fuzz in here from my black and white Barefoot Dreams throw. The front of the bag has two slit compartments, and in both of my Kellys and in my Birkin, I find those compartments so handy. In my larger Kelly, I will put my phone in that one. I am sorry about these straps. I thought I had this dress fixed, fixuated, however you say it. It is not, but in this one I do not, because it is, you know, it's smaller capacity. Also, let me know if you would like to see a comparison between this one and the 32. I like both of them. I get asked all the time, would you choose another 32? And absolutely, I love that one. I love the leather. It's really not too big. So also on this one here, you have the horseshoe. It says Hermes Paris, made in France. And that little horseshoe just means that it was a special order bag. And then on the sangles here, they are also in the taupe color, and they go around to the back there. So that is pretty much the bag. I love this. And between the two sizes, well, I'll do that in another video. I'll compare them together in another video, which size I like better. But I absolutely love this bag, and it is something that will definitely get passed down to my daughters. All of my Hermes bags are going to go to my daughters, and they're just going to wear bags. That's just all there's going to be to that. They're going to wear them, and they're going to love them, which I actually think they will. And I already know which girl likes which bags the best. So I just am thrilled to have it. The price was $11,900. It is, I know, astronomically expensive, but the quality in this bag is amazing. Having one artisan hand make this bag, hand sew it. There's nothing wrong with a machine stitched bag. You still have a person making the bag. It's not, you know, like a factory making Cheetos or something like that. There's nothing wrong with that at all. But this is just so extra special because of just what was put into it. And I also would like to say on the price, there is no difference in this price for it being a special order versus if you got an offer in the boutique. So Chèvre is a little bit more expensive than, let's say, Epsom or Togo. Novillo is more expensive, and that's what my Birkin is in, than Epsom or Togo. It just depends. I don't know all the prices of all the leathers by any means, but it depends on the leather, and that's and the size of the bag and the leather. So if I believe I've said it, it is the 28, and that is because it is 28 centimeters across the bottom here. But yeah, the pricing is about the leather, and Chèvre is a little bit more expensive of a leather. I knew I would love this leather because I have several small leather goods in it. I like the sheen on it. I love how it feels. It just feels so nice. It's so durable feeling too, which is wonderful for having something that's so pricey. You don't want it to be, I don't want it to be incredibly delicate to where I'm going to be very afraid to carry it. I will never carry this with denim jeans, blue, black, any color of denim jeans. I have worn this with white denim jeans or with light colored pants, but that's not ever happening. I am, you know, aware of that. I do not want to get color transfer on this beautiful bag, but very, very happy to have added it. And as you can see, it holds a lot. It holds a lot. I would not carry that much because being an all leather bag, it does get quite heavy. I usually do carry this top handle, but it is so nice to have that shoulder strap should you need to wash your hands or, you know, just be hands-free for a moment. It's great to have that option. I cannot think of anything else that I didn't go over. Oh, I actually feel a little plastic on the bottom of the feet. I thought I had taken all the stickers off of this. I took the stickers off of this one really quickly. I didn't off of my others as fast, but I had heard that the brushed gold can tarnish very easily, so I didn't want that to happen, so I got those stickers off. But let me know down below if you want a comparison of the 28 versus the 32, and that one is the different style too, so you would get to see both of them and side by side. But I hope that this was helpful if you've been considering one of these, because it's not like you can go into the store and try it on. So that's why I was watching so many videos of the Cellier in the 28 size to see, you know, what I wanted to do. It's like you're just surprised if you get one of these offered to you and you've never had one before. It's like you don't know till they open the box and you get to try it on. So this was the first 28 I have ever seen in person that I know of, and you know, I got to try it on. So absolutely love this. I hope you have an amazing day today, and I hope to talk to you again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.